Hi, how do you? I'm going to draw a shark now. I think everybody knows which is shark. We have seen lots of shark in the movie. So we begin the drawing from the left side. This is the head of a shark and this is the mouth. The line continues like this to the tail of the shark, and we can put two fins, one on top and another in the bottom. The tail looks like this. At the middle point we can see few hatches like this one, and on the front the eye here, a dark nose, you can see like a hatch, the sharp teeth, as you can see from these jigsaw shape drawings. After the basic outline you can put shades to the fin. So that one was the bottom one. Now we're going to put shades on the top part of the body. So when shark usually moves around the water, we can see the upper part of this one, this projected part. It's usually we can see above the water. At the bottom we can put few shades like this. Alright, so the detailing on top and bottom is almost done. Now the detail is in the middle. As you can see, the body of the shark is very solid body, and that's why we try to put the shades having a very uniform solid color. As you can see from the drawing, the outline of the shark is not that much complicated. That's to have patience and do your own stops. The important part is the few body characteristics which make it different than other fishes. Alright, so let's put bigger shades here. Okay, let's put some green color around the fish for better presentation. Alright, so this is the basic drawing of a shark. I hope you like the video. Please do practice at home and watch the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. All you need to do is practice, practice and practice. And in next videos we are going to bring more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay healthy, stay well, stay nice. Wish you all the best. Have a good day.